She liking money scatter. She dey chase some bumper to bumper. She's looking for a wealthy man to marry off her daughters. Yeah. If you no get the money, nothing for you. Make you hide your face now. Money player. She too like money scatters are not for promises. Yeah, pretend no quick. Cash money, brother, it's quick. The woman too like money, she too like money, scatter some dollars, she too like money, scatter. If you want marry my daughter, yeah, pretend no quick, $1,000, say brother, it's quick.
Your prince is back! Your prince is back! Why you guys not doing something? You're supposed to be happy that I'm back. What are you guys doing? Come on, give me some sugar. No, you keep your hands like that. You do it like this, You know, some of them saying, some... Yo, what's that? Your prince is back. What's up? What's up?
Prince Obina.
Yeah.
Son of Onochie. The rightful heir to the throne of our land.
I ain't gotta say
and the soon king to be.
Yeah.
We welcome you back.
You're welcome, you, my nigga.
You're welcome, my prince.
What do we have here? We have some bitches here with the good things, You guys, you're good. Goodies for you guys. I got some goodies for you. And, who are they?
Oh, they are the royal guards.
Oh, the guards?
Yes, they are the royal guards.
I got something for you guys too. You know what? Follow me. Come on.
Swagalicious King!
Yes, sir,
The Swagalicious King! The king that makes things happen! The king that makes everywhere shake!
Yes, what's up, nigga?
Shake the room!
I'm shaking it.
The Swaggies!
I'm shaking it.
Swaggies!
I'm shaking it.
Make way for
I'm
him!
shaking it.
Make way for
I'm
him!
shaking it.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Just come and pop it.
We are talking about the king! Hey.
Nai.
Welcome, my son.
Thank you, Nai.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nai.
That's good. You said you want to marry my daughter.
Yes, Nai.
Chioma.
Yes, Papa.
You want to marry him? Settled. You have my blessings already.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you, Nai.
I'm good. Who is saying?
Good afternoon.
Hold your good afternoon and put it in your pocket. I'm wondering what you have come here to do. A poor, wretched, stinking man like you. Eh? What are you here for? Biko. It is not possible. Oh. You cannot marry my daughter. Not what I'm saying, breathing. You cannot marry my daughter.
Mama, why are you doing this to me now?
You shut that your mouth up and shut it up for you. Shut up. Look at who you brought to me as a suitor. It's Diego. In my pounds or dollars. Which one do you have? Who amongst you is the suitor? Are you or the other one? They do one near Bia. You connect Bukonanya. On the Naya, you also got a
Angoleka.
Yes, okay.
Why are you like this?
No, Biko, I don't want to insult you. I'm giving you due respect to
Hey!
the person and that I'm insulting my husband. I know you are comfortable being a poor man, but I'm not.
How can you hear it?
I am not comfortable. How can she in her thinking faculty bring this kind of man as sort of to me? It's a pound, it's a dollar. Which one do you have? Any man that is not wealthy cannot marry enough. Look at the kind of children God gave to me.
Yes, now.
I check up Babaliha. You know already.
Madman. When you don't have money.
You cannot marry my daughter. So you marry him and make what?
Warrior.
Mama, look at them now. They are poor masses. That's how they behave. Mr. Poor Man, you can't be poor and stubborn at the same time. Get out of this house.
Go now. You never competition now for no.
Poor masses.
Is that where your money is or your poverty? Eh? Okay. It's all right now. I the kika ora ro toto. In alu aka eba. Onye nworo say. Nworo say ni mu abi mu aka 9 months na for mu ha. Oh he ku ka na eme.
Uncle Poor Man, leave. You can't be poor and stubborn at the same time.
Obiora, don't talk to me.
Don't you know that what Mama cannot do does
Not exist.
Tell
them to leave. Is it Mama that want to marry me?
Okay.
Warrior. What you work or not?
I told you that what my mother cannot do does not exist.
Pharmacies!
Carry your.
Mama, something.
Can you imagine?
To me as a suitor. Ichego, in a pounds called dollars. Which one do you have? Who amongst you is the suitor? Are you or the other one? Can I do one near you? Yes, okay.
Why are you like this?
No, Biko, I don't want to insult you. I'm giving you due respect to the
Hey!
person and that I'm insulting my husband. I know you are comfortable being a poor man, but I'm not.
How can you hear it?
I am not comfortable. How can she in her thinking faculty bring this kind of man as sort of to me? It's a pound, it's a dollar. Which one do you have? Any man that is not wealthy cannot marry enough. Look at the kind of children God gave to me.
Yes, now.
I check up Babaliha. You know already.
That woman is very, very wicked. Because you don't have hands and legs. That is why she did all this to you. Why?
Mama, say something now. Say something.
Say what? What do you want Papa to say? Everything he says will not have value, just like two of you have become useless people talking nonsense. Eh? Can't imagine poverty-stricken girl from a very poor family wanting to get married to another poor family.
It
It doesn't work like that.
Mama, but you know money is not everything, no. Money is not everything.
Who told you that money is not everything?
Why?
Money is everything.
Oh.
You want to eat his money.
You
want to do isha attach his money. You want to enter Okada. Money. Why you say money is not everything?
You want to eat money.
Yeah?
Look at you. You are not ashamed of yourself. You are born into a poor family. Eh?
And you want to jump into another one.
Get married to another poor family.
It doesn't match.
Is there any sense in that? How about you just go and get married to that vulcanizer?
Can you imagine?
Can you hear me? Eh? You are not ashamed of yourself. You are born into this poverty-stricken family. You want to get married into another Kagini Museum. So I'll start begging for food. Look at Mazin's best daughter. Wise girl. She got married to a vice chancellor's son. That changed the lifestyle of their family.
Everybody.
Look at Felicia. The daughter of Joma. She got married to an international business tycoon that has turned their family right round and backward and forward.
Up and down.
They are not swimming in money.
Okay, but Mama, what
if
about...
If they bring that money, I'll guide him.
Oh, eh? What about Nelu? Ifani's younger sister, who got married to the most famous politician in this country.
No.
Everybody is dancing with money. If you greet their mother, they will dash you money. Greet the Ifani himself, that is my age mate, he will dash you money. Oh, what are you saying? Come, rephrase. Oh. Know what you are doing.
They want you. I did not give birth to you people. They're going to be bringing poverty-stricken people for me as suitors.
No.
That will not be possible in my life. Even if I'm dead, I will rise from the dead, eh?
Cause trouble. Trouble everywhere. It's not done, Mama. Don't worry, Mama.
Count me out. Count me out.
Obiora.
Papa.
Obiora. How many times have I called your name? Obiora, you are a man. I thought you would reason different from your mother. I'm disappointed. Totally disappointed in you.
That we are talking about money.
Obiora, there is something Papa is not getting here. When a man does not have money, he is a madman.
Look at your two sisters. Look at how fresh and beautiful they are. Look at you, Hamatan wants to finish.
Showcase yourself.
Hamatan wants to finish.
How can a poor man carry this kind of thing?
No, Mama, it's not possible. I cannot even be a poor man and go for this thing.
You know, yeah, good. From now on, I don't want you guys to be dressing the way you guys are dressing now. For goodness sake, this is 24th century. You should not be dressing like this. Come on, you need to add up some style on your dressing. Don't worry. I'm going to teach all of you some fashions. Even you guys, you need to change all these things. Don't worry, I hope you understand.
My prince, you know there are some values that you cannot compromise in our land. You are the prince of this land, and the whole community have waited for you along. You are the king to be. So there are some things we cannot compromise.
What are you trying to say? That my value is not swagalicious enough? Eh?
No, not exactly what I'm saying. But
shut up that your dirty mouth. I am the authority of this land. My father and my mother is dead. So you should do what I said.
We will do as you said.
Good. I think I have to crown myself so that you people will know I am the king. So I think we'll have to start with all this what is this called? What is this? Aka? Oh, Aka. Okay. Yeah. And what is this one? Oh, Mbajaka. Mbajiaka. Nice. And I guess this is the long aka. Yeah. I like it. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is the man invent. The clown. Oh, yeah. You may now bow before your king. Bow before your king. You come here, that's my boy, that's my boy. Come here. I don't like the way your head is sounding pop. What is this? What kind of head is this? Come on, you don't get, this is too much for you. Eh? And you're wearing this. You don't wear this anymore. Eh? Come on. Put on some style. In fact, next time you people are coming to my palace, you need to put some swag on it. Like, you need to sag up. Yes, you need to sag up. Am I understood? And whenever you want to walk, you have to put on some style. Put some style on it. You have to walk like this. Who said it can't?
Now which kind can be this year? Oh, why? Obodani no kwana so Maki nigga. Igwani bukai man. Oh, why? Obokenika ye messing no Maki nigga. Now which kind can be this year? Oh, why? Our kingdom is in trouble.
Mazio Koli, I really want us to discuss something.
Say it.
You know that this is not what we expected.
Good.
We have been waiting for our prince to come back. Now he is back. But colonized with the Western people's ways of life. Are we going to allow ourselves dance to that way of the Western people and make ourselves mockery in the whole community by wearing all this clothing?
I will not. Me, Ichiokoli, I will not. We are his kinsmen. We are not his gangsters. Are we? No, tell me. Are we?
We are not his gang. I agree with you. But Mazio Koli, you know that he is now the king. So he has the final authority that whatever he said, we have to. We don't need to go and begin to probe him or begin to fight against him. In fact, if you try that, your head will be cut off. You know, a fool that lives in his father's house is not a complete fool because, number one, he's still living in his father's house. So there's no need of us to begin to go and have argument with him. We have to, obey him and do as he said.
But excuse me. I insist. Do you hear me? I insist. He has given me this. And I will not wear it. Take it or leave it. Let's go. Let's go.
You know wear it. Okay, let's go now.
Let's go.
Let us go.
Let us go. We go to Onya.
Zubeko. Choose. Okay, wait.
Has it been long you got here?
No, I just got here.
Sit down. Ishi Jirumadu, man. I have a lot in my head thinking about.
What is the problem this time?
Okay. You won't understand, so let's not go there.
Understand what? Nwobu, understand what? Don't tell me it's about Choma again.
Is it my own Choma you're referring to like that? See, Choma is not just some girl in this village. Oh. She's the girl that I love, the girl I want to marry, and she loves me too. Are you not my friend? Am I supposed to be telling you this thing all the time? No, one name, don't you know I am deeply in love with Choma? Oginidi. What's all this now?
But her family doesn't want you.
It is her mother that doesn't want me, not her family. Do you understand? Be specific. You're stressing me now.
What difference does it make, Nwobu? What difference does it make? Eh? As far as I'm concerned, her mother controls that family. And she has made it clear to you that she doesn't want her daughter to get married to a poor man like you. Like, I don't understand.
They are working Aparekwalam. I know you've been looking for the opportunity to tell me or to remind me that I am poor. Are you better than me? Do you even have a job? At least I have something doing. What do you it's just to work? You walk from one part of the village to another. Aparekwalam. What's the meaning of that now?
Nwobu, I'm not insulting you, Nwobu. I'm just rephrasing what she said.
English teacher. Keep rephrasing.
So, are you going to force her mother to accept you? So tell me, what exactly are your plans? Nwobu?
Yes, correct.
My king, your food is ready.
Hey. Come.
My king.
Come closer. Wow. I didn't know you were this beautiful. Wow.
My king, please don't do this.
I am your king. And you should do what I asked you to do. Okay?
Yes, my king.
Wow. Look how amazing. You look good. Come over here. Come over here.
Please.
Come over here. What is wrong with you? I didn't know you're this sweet. My local maiden. You're sweet. I love you. I love you. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Your king got you. I got you. It's okay. Come on. Where are you going to? Hello. Hello. Hello, local maiden. Wow. I love this.
Which guy can get this?
I like the way she cry on our lookout too. I know. I love it already. Wow, who's gonna be next now? Who's gonna be next? You. Go and call me one, kid. Tell her to come and meet me upstairs. Tell her the king is coming, okay? Go. Calm down. One more. I love that smell. They smell like onions. I love it. Woo! Wow! Good. This is more like it. I like it. I like it. But wait. You don't wear this kind of ancient belt whenever you're wearing my customized jeans. Just put it down. Back in the States, we sag. Yes, you will sag. Yes. You just bring it down. Just use hold it here. Good, like this. Good. No, you're there. You're almost there.
My priest, you're killing me. Old man, how will I be walking with this thing along the street?
That is swag. Sit down. So,
I'm an old man.
What brought you to my palace? Yes. Why are you here?
My prince.
Yes.
I came to discuss a very serious issue with you.
Go on.
It's for your own interest and for the interest of our community. You need to take a wife before your coronation takes place.
But I am already your king.
My prince, the crown of our land has to go the due process before you be pronounced the king of this land.
And who is going to demote me? I am still your king.
Nobody.
Or are you going to be the one to demote me?
No, I cannot do that.
So?
Nobody is going to demote you and nobody is dragging the throne with you. But for the gods of the land to recognize you as the king, you have to pass through the right process. And for people also to celebrate you, you must go through the right process.
I am not a traditional man. I have traveled Western world and I have returned. I have seen things. I don't believe in all these your archaic beliefs, I don't believe in them. Okay? So you all have to do everything in my own way. Do you understand? Even you. Show me a peace sign.
My prince, what is the meaning of peace sign again?
Now which kind king be this? Oh, why?
That's my chick. So what will I offer you? Guards! Sit down, my mom. You're my chick. I like you. Guards! I don't want you girls to be walking like a night wizard in my palace anymore. This has to stop. I want you girls to catwalk at least. You don't walk like that in my palace. You know what? I'm going to teach you girls how to do catwalking. And I want you girls to learn though. Because if you fail to do so, I'm going to kill every one of you. Did you hear me?
Yes, my king.
Good. Now watch and learn. Okay? Watch and learn. I say what?
Watch and learn.
Good. Say good.
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 All right. Put up, you need to show your ass. Don't know why you girls are not showing your ass. Show your ass. You walk, You understand? You need to show this. You need to show this. All right, let's see. You, first person. Walk. Catwalk, let me see. Okay, it's okay. You try. So, next person. What's that? What was that?
I'm sorry, my
What kind of walk is that?
I'm sorry, my
Is that elephant walk?
sorry, my
Will you go back there? Walk like a woman being. Oh yeah. You're walking like a ghost. Keep your hand down. Stop walking like a ghost.
Sorry, my king.
Better. Stop walking like a ghost.
Sorry.
Stupid. Okay, you come. Where are you rushing to? No, I want to know where you're rushing to. I said catwalk and you're rushing to. Where? Are you okay? Will you come back there? You're doing like Shekeleke. That walk that you just walk now is called Shekeleke walking. Don't try me. Catwalk! Where is this girl? Where are you running to? Keep your legs down. Walk small. Gently. I don't know if you're on board. Oh yeah. Good. So go back to your position. That's a good lesson. I hope all of you learned something.
Yes, my king.
This is how you girls will be walking starting from today. I don't want you girls walking like what I don't know. Okay?
Yes, my king.
My eyes are on you girls. What did I say?
My eyes on you, girls.
I said my eyes are on you girls. What did I say?
My eyes on you, girls.
My eyes are on you girls. What did I say?
My eyes on you, girls.
You know what? 3 of you lie down here.
That's your what?
Where is my car?
You call this one a car? Hey! Is this not 1983 Camry model?
Mama, it seems you know much about cars.
No, if I don't have a car doesn't mean I don't know much about cars. I know about cars. Man, I'm just sizing my daughter with this kind of car.
It doesn't match, Mama.
You disappoint me. Is this the kind of suitor you brought for marriage?
Mama, I love him. I love him so much.
You call this one a suitor? Oh yeah,
Mama, you don't know Silas. Look at him. Take a good look at him. Turn, let them see you. Turn very well.
Oh, my Silas has a car.
He's not a poor man.
Is there any other Silas?
Are you a poor man?
No.
Mama, you don't know. He's an international man. He's an importer of rubber slippers in Araria market.
I have shops. That's of me.
You have
Everybody
shops.
knows me.
You have shops. If you are an importer, you will now be like this, carrying this kind of car. Where is the money you make from importation? Where is it?
What is what?
Mama,
Explain yourself. You are looking at my
this slippers
sister.
you are seeing here is sample. This is one of the slippers he imports. Tell them that you are sampling it. Okay.
Next time you are coming to my house, let me know who you are. Don't pretend. If you are an importer, you bring pounds, bring dollars. Just remove this thing from here. I don't want anybody to come and see this thing in front of our house.
No, see, your mother has insulted me enough. I can't take this, please.
It's not an insult. It's not an insult. Oh, holy mepe. Open the car. Importer.
She too like money, oh. She too like money, scatter. She know they use money play. She too like money, scatters are not for promises. Yeah, put them no quick. Cash money, brother, it's quick. The woman too like money, oh. She too like money, scatter. Some dollars, no. She too like money, scatter. If you want marry my daughter, yeah, put them no quick. $1,000, say brother, it's quick.
You know what? We are going to change a lot of things in this palace. Like the way you people speak. Yes, you don't speak like that. You need to make it more, more gaseous. You need to make it more sweet when you talk.
Anxious.
Yes. Like, you understand what I'm saying?
If you don't get the money, nothing for you. Make you hide your face now. Yeah, I'm a liquor. She too like money. Oh, she too like money. Scatter. She know they use your money play. She too like money. Scatters are not for promises. Yeah.
Ozokwor.
My king.
Why are you not dressed in your gangsterhood?
Your Majesty, I don't wear them because I find them as a taboo to our culture.
How dare you disobey your king?
I'm sorry, my king. I'm sorry.
If you disobey your king, you've disobeyed the throne. And when you disobey the throne, you've disobeyed this palace. And when you disobey this palace, you've disobeyed the entire community.
I'm sorry.
For that, you are going to be punished.
Hey.
I'm going to punish you. You know what? Gas!
I'm sorry.
Lie him down. If I don't lie him down, I don't have cane to flog him. You know what? Shift this.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Don't. Come close. Come close. Oh yeah. Take your ass up. Take your ass. Next time you will not disobey your king. Next time, dress in your gangsterhood. You know what? Go and get me my gun. Let me just kill this idiot, so that in your next word you will not disobey your king. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
Sorry, my Majesty.
We don't do that,
Sorry,
We don't do that shit.
Sorry.
I tell you something, you do that shit. If I tell you something, you do that shit. You don't do the shit.
I will do it.
If I tell you something, you do the shit. You understand what I'm saying?
Organizer.
You want to make here. Will share of food, yeah? We gotta know here.
There's love in sharing.
What love in sharing? Come on, yeah. You just said that.
I don't know if she's the one feeding the guy or the guy is the one.
They're feeding each other.
She liking money scatter. She dey chase some bumper to bumper. She's looking for a wealthy man to marry off her daughter. See, if you don't get the money, nothing for you. Make you hide your face.
Oh yeah.
Abuchi.
Abuchi ready, Mama.
Where's Shama now?
Mama, she just stepped out with food rush.
To where exactly?
To that boy's shop, that boy that used to make her feel senseless.
How is work today?
Thank God, though.
Work is fine, right?
Yes.
Because I bought food for us.
Obi, you shouldn't have now.
Why?
I ate already.
And that is why I brought my own portion of the food. So you will eat with me.
But your mother won't be happy with this. Oh.
Exactly. That is why I did it when she was not at home. Yes.
Okay.
So, which is one spoon?
Oh, it's rice, eh?
Yes,
spoon?
it's rice.
Don't worry, I have spoon. From the aroma, I can tell this is delicious.
Of course it is.
Don't worry, come with Ngaji, eh? I have spoons, yeah.
Okay, bye, you go to when you
Don't worry, I will send one.
Mama. Mommy of you, I'm so looking.
Trust me.
What Mama cannot do
Does not exist.
I know her.
Obio. Begun. Come. Come now. Why do you keep the plate?
Why do you need my food?
You don't know. See.
You will hear you munni chocolate na munni.
Festus, you say you want to marry my daughter.
Exactly, sir.
What do you do for a living?
That question is not important now. Eh? Don't mount pressure on our in-law. Give him breathing space now.
Festus, since you are interested in marrying my daughter, don't you think it's best is to bring your family to know where you want to marry from first?
Does it really matter now? Doesn't matter now. He's the one that is interested in marrying Ebere. And Ebere has accepted, not the family. To say the simple truth, your perfume is very, very beautiful. It must be very expensive, I know.
Mama, you perceive this?
They go to one even.
When I know you there.
Mama,
Mama, you're actually right. I bought the perfume in Hong Kong for about $2,000. That's approximately 3 million naira. 3 million for
perfume, Fifi. 3 million. Hi! Kai! I love you like Nigeria, I love American visa. I love you like police, love 20 naira. I love you like NEPA, I love to take a light. I love you.
Festus, you need to give me time to discuss among my family. Marriage is not the garden of market people. Besides,
forget this thing. Delay is dangerous.
It's okay. No, I'm aware of that. But whichever way it is, I'm ready. I came prepared.
I trust you.
Mama, I like your vibe. I like your vibe, Mama. Mama, something must enter your hand.
Hey!
You gotta go.
You gotta
go. Let's do somebody
First, even a dog.
If Festus come face to face, you will know that Festus is face to face. Face to face.
Thank you for your support.
Face to face.
No, take this one.
Let me hold it for you.
Mama, I know.
Mama, but now my busy Odera.
You understand?
You know?
Pounds and dollars. I love you like Nigeria love American visa. I love you like
police love 20 naira.
You are the bad luck that was sent to antagonize the blessings of this family. I rebuke you.
How would you accept a total stranger to marry your daughter without doing proper findings, Anyoleka?
What proper findings are you doing? Who made you the private investigator? Eh? See, this man is a walking blessing for this family. How can you even ascribe any kind of fault to this man?
That is your problem. Every time it's money, money, money. Without thinking deep to your greed.
That man must marry a belly, whether you like it or not.
You will not have my blessing.
Who says we need your blessing? What blessing can you give? They don't need your blessing to move. Miss Ude, keep your blessing to yourself. My blessing is enough to carry them along. 2 of my daughters are getting married to the most responsible, most promising men in this community. And that's what matters to me. That's it. As for Chioma, she can move on with her life and get married to whatever wretched man she wants to. What's my business? Don't call me out for this kind of discussion again. No long weekend, no long. If you like poverty, eat it. Poverty mentality.
Sister Berry, I don't feel right about this. I just said I should tell you because I don't know how you will meet a man barely 1 week and you're already convinced to marry him.
Is that your problem? Is it your business?
It's not my business and it's not a problem.
I have decided to marry this man and not you.
I know, but I'm just saying that you should at least give it some time to get to know him or even listen to Papa's advice.
Hold it right there. I've known everything I need to know about this.
When?
It doesn't matter. That is why I've decided to marry him. Since you've chosen to waste your life with that wretched good for nothing, that nincompoop. So I will appreciate it if you shut your mouth and mind the business that pays you.
Please. Nzube is not a wretched man.
Says who?
This guy is
Now I want to understand.
really-
That one that they use wretchedness to soak clothes for.
Imagine.
That is smelling wretchedness everywhere, left, front, back. His leg is wretchedness. When he's walking, he's smelling. You open your mouth, you won't like me.
Have you noticed something recently? This girl is beginning to smell of wretchedness.
Me?
Yes! You! You are not far from wretchedness.
Come on, get up.
In fact, leave this place
Come on,
before I
leave
will
it,
descend on you
before I
this hot
slap you.
afternoon. Get wretched girlfriend of a wretched boyfriend.
I just wanted to like give you
Get out! I'm not here. Can you imagine? You want to advise me? You want to advise your helper?
What did you get?
Stupid girl. Instead you be praying for me to marry him so that I'll be giving you Brazilian hairs. And you stop wearing that red and black as if you are money.
This girl is growing wings, so that is my problem. This girl is growing. She started doing something with that wretched, that madman.
Wretched madman.
You know when I always tell you that
Wretched
when a man is not rich, that he's a madman. You could think I was.
Papa, my friends has been asking me this question. And me, I'm beginning to wonder why you didn't make your youthful age count. Papa, I need to know the mistakes you made so that I will not follow the same route. You understand?
Mommy of the year.
Where are your sisters?
They are inside.
Call Choma.
Choma, come.
Bia. Hey!
Come. Mama is back.
All of you come. Good news. Say amen.
Amen.
Say amen. I heard that the prince is back and he's looking for a wife. That is the good news.
Yeah, I have sisters.
Of course, wonderful sisters.
Yes, beautiful sisters.
I thought the prince is betrothed to the princess of...
Betrothed but not married. And besides, the prince has the power and authority to marry more than one wife. As many wives as he wants.
Exactly.
Mama, I don't understand. Where are you driving at? Like, take us to the permanent site.
Let's get the driver. I am the driver. The permanent site is this, that if eventually that thing falls into our family, you know what it means? That we are now royal in-laws. Poverty has gone, no?
Mama, is that one not a blind fantasy? How can that happen when the prince does not even know any of us?
That is why I'm your mother and I'm here. I will make him know you people.
Yes.
What are you not?
What the mama cannot do does not exist. What are you saying now?
Because size them up now. Size them up.
You don't understand.
Size them up.
Scatter, she did chase and bumper to bumper. She's looking for a wealthy man to marry off her daughters. Yeah. If you don't get the money, nothing for you. Make you hide your face now. Yeah. I'm a liquor, she too like money. Oh, she too like money. Scatter, she know they use the money player. She too like money. Scatters are not for pharmacies. Yeah. Pretend look quick, cash money, brother, it's quick. The woman too like money, she too like money.
My king. Your kings. Kings. Your kings.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, beautiful maiden. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Wow.
My parents, I brought you a gift.
A gift?
Yes, a gift.
I love gifts.
Oh my God, thank you.
Haven't you?
Yes, well prepared.
Wow, bushmeat.
For you.
But it will be overwhelming if you can offer yourself as a gift to me.
My king, please, can you tell me what you mean by that?
You know you're a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
And you are my kind of woman.
Really?
Yes. I don't know if you will spend the night with me tonight. Yes.
Oh, my king.
Yes.
You have not asked me my parents' name.
Who gives a fuck about your parents' name? Who gets? I don't get.
You don't give a fuck.
I don't give a heck.
You don't give a heck.
Yes. So I don't know if it is okay by you.
Oh. I'm at your wish, my king.
Why don't we go inside so that I can give you my own gift?
Oh, really?
Yes. So let's go. Get it.
Oh, yes. Oh,
this way.
Okay.
This way.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Shake it, mom. 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 God! Knock my door.
What kind of mother are you, Amunika?
A mother that wants absolute best for her children. That's what.
By sending your daughter to seduce the prince?
Seduction did not start today. Even in the time of the Bible, Queen Esther seduced King Xerxes and became the queen.
Mama, that's not true. That's not true. Esther did not seduce the king in the manner that you sent on Malisha to come.
If I give you the back of my hand, you look for your eyes, you won't find it again. I'm just leaving you because you're my daughter. What's your point? I'm going to go brobo. No, let's go.
Joma. Lest I forget, don't throw the part of your siblings and your mother. Always maintain a strong part.
Wow. You dealt with me. Wow. I never knew you were this good. Oh! I thought you were a village maiden.
I am not a village maiden. I'm classy.
You know what? I am going to make you my queen.
Oh my God.
Yes.
My king.
Mwah, 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 mwah. I love it. I love it.
I love you.
You know what? Let us go for one more.
Bebe. 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 Bebe.
Oh my God.
So, tell me, how did you do it?
Ebi, I was not expecting it to be that smooth. But let me tell you something. It went like smooth.
So I'm so eager to hear this. Did you sleep with him? Tell me.
Okay. It was a fun night. Everything about that night was
Wait. Tell me. What next? Is he walking away?
You see, Abby, I'm beginning to see reasons with Mama. Yes.
Really?
You see, a man without money is a madman. When you are not talking money, like talking pounds, like Mama will always say, do you have pounds
or dollars?
Oh my God, I enjoyed myself.
Oh, really?
The soft bed I laid on. The air conditioner that was blowing me like from head to toe, everywhere, inside, outside, every corner. The foreign delicacy I ate. Wow. The service, sweetheart. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Enjoyment almost.
Hey! Ego amaka.
Money.
Money.
You know that money is not everything. You know, right?
Hello. Is there any dog amongst us?
I'm not a dog,
Any
please.
dog barking?
Hold on. Did you open that gutter you have there to say money is not everything?
But it's obvious now. Money is not.
Shut up!
This girl is crazy.
Prince came here and gave you money. That's right. And you collected.
What do you expect?
Give it to me.
Come on, where's the money? Where's the money? Where's the money? You collected money from the prince. But now money is not everything. Come on, shut up. In Apuala. Bring the money. Money is not everything.
I will tell Papa this thing that both of you are doing to me. I will tell Papa.
Come. Money before I say money is not everything. Hello, sis.
Hello, Abby. How are you?
I'm well. Just bored.
Your husband is not yet back?
Not at home. He's barely at home these days.
Busy with work, I guess.
My dear, I don't know. I just don't know. But the truth is that I am tired and lonely in this house. It's so difficult for him to get back home these days. Anyways, enough of my husband. How are you? And how is your husband, the prince?
My husband is fine. He's having meeting with the kinsman. But he's fine. He's doing great. I called to tell you that your sister, Shoma, she's getting married to that riffraff in the village. That good-for-nothing vulcanizer. Can you imagine?
My sister, Mama told me. You know, I am beginning to think that something is wrong with that girl. Of all the persons in this world.
It's a cross, oh. And she will have to carry it. Nobody should come to me with any burden, because I won't carry it. Whatever she brought to herself, let her be ready to carry it. That is my own. Say, Bibai, will you be going for the marriage?
God forbid. My sister, I can't. What would I be doing there? I do not wish to be associated with misfortunes. So I'm not going. Poor masses.
Marriage of the poor masses. Go where? Me. Attend that local village organizer marriage. How? I should be in my palace, receiving special treatment from my maidens. Like rare treatment, you know. Baby, please take care of yourself because you go quadruple. I'm going to own them. You know I love you, sis. Go bye-bye. Me. I attend nonsense marriage. Who does that?
Me. Attend that kind of marriage. God forbid. I'd rather sit at this house and see a movie.
Yeah, no, no. Yeah, no, no.
Ah. Yeah, well. I'm my chances here. I'm going to be a kid. But I'm going to be kind of. Ha! Takatakuta again, Chile. What kind of thoughts? When men we are boys. When boys we are boys. Angelica. No wonder your mother gave you the name Angoli. Because only this can make me happy.
Chioma, my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
My in-law.
Yes,
I bless this union. I don't know man Eke. No rear. Na for. Na nkwo. Unu ga-amụta nwoke. Unu ga-amụta nwanyị. Nke ọrụ n'ozu n'uche nọ dị mma, ọ ya emezu. You have my blessings. That shall be well with both of you. Thank you, Lai. You're welcome. It's all gone.
What is the meaning of all this? This is what you want for your daughter, isn't it? You have done what you want. When you beat the drum, they will dance for you. Mama,
1 month.
If you get I'm going to see all the epic. This one can't go. Eh? Go, Chanja. Go, go.
Don't worry, my son. You really have my blessings.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I am talking to you. Festus, I am talking to you. I demand an answer. Festus, I am talking to you. Festus, I demand answers. And you must give them to me right now.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Festus, I should be asking what is wrong with you. I can't be married to you, yet you barely spend time with me. Every day you are on the move. What exactly is going on?
Am I not providing for you? Tell me, do you lack anything in this house? Do you?
Really? You are providing for me. But the truth is that I lack my husband. Your provision is nothing compared to my emotional well-being. I need my husband. I am your wife. What kind of business takes you out of the house 24/7? I can't be married and single at the same time. No.
Why? But you're very ungrateful. Very ungrateful.
Don't use such nonsense words on me. I am your wife for Christ's sake. You know, lately, your lifestyle, everything about you is becoming questionable. What exactly do you do for a living? Who are you? Festus, I demand an answer.
Are you mad? Look, I will not take such nonsense from you. I married you. You are my wife. I provide for you. So when I say sit down, you sit. Hey, Odera! There is money in this house. I provide for you. Liego, and stop complaining.
The tallest among others.
Yes, Mama.
It's okay. Sit down.
He's going with swag.
Sit down.
He's with swag.
How are you?
Yes, among others.
Oh, wow.
Odogu. I'm okay.
You know what?
I tell you the past.
You know what? Because of it's okay. Because of this your loyalty, I am taking you to America.
I told you.
So that you go and experience the Western life over there.
You are carrying so much swag. Mwa, America.
Yes, you're there.
Hi. Oh.
Igwe. Igwe. You will forever have my loyalty, Igwe. Igwe, please.
Loyalty, but you are not here to do it.
Igwe. You forever have my loyalty, Igwe. Igwe, please, as you are flying my mother to America, you can fly me along with her. Not bad.
You know what? It is done.
Hey!
Both of you are going to America. Yes.
From here to here to there.
Can you imagine?
That is it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
you so much.
It's okay, Mama.
Thank you.
It's okay. You don't know me. You know Igwe Tupac, right? I am the one that introduced Igwe Tupac to Jay-Z. Do you know Jaru?
I know Jaru.
The rapper, you know.
Yes, I know Jaru.
Most of the song, I wrote them. Yes. I'm a singer, don't you know? Apart from being the king, I'm a rapper. Oh, you want me to do something? You want me to freestyle, yeah? You want me to freestyle, yeah? You want me to freestyle? You want me to freestyle? You want me to freestyle, yeah? Freestyle, you want me to freestyle, yeah? Freestyle, okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. No, not I got you. Yeah. You know, before you do anything, you step on the stage. You need to catch up. And you do it like this. You know, I got you. Hey! You know what I'm doing? You gotta do what I wanna do. You gotta do what I'm doing, You gotta do what I'm doing, You gotta do what I'm doing, You gotta do what I'm doing.
Is there anyone at home? Who is there? Angelica. Angeli. Ebere. Chioma. Angeli. Angelica. Ebere nwam. Chioma. Chioma. Angeli. Angelica. Angelio.
Don't worry, huh? This weekend is your turn. I will come and stay with you for a while. Oh?
Mama, both of us are coming.
Okay. Your brother and I will be coming this weekend to stay with you for a while. Oh?
Okay, Mama. I'll be waiting. I'm just bored in this house. Festus is never at home.
What do you need his presence for? Since he's meeting you with all your needs. He's providing all your needs now. You don't need his presence.
Mama, money is not everything. I still need my husband.
By now we should be talking about pregnancy. I don't know why you're not pregnant yet. Get pregnant and give him a child that will inherit his property. I don't know what you're talking about. Too.
I don't know if you've been listening to me. I just said my husband is never at home. Am I going to get myself pregnant? He's never at home.
You don't need a whole century to get pregnant. What is wrong with this girl? Once can make it happen. Just for football. Do it now. Relax. Relax and let it happen. All I need is for you to get pregnant. The important thing is that you must get pregnant.
Mama, at least let her be pregnant and bring somebody that will, you know.
Who is there around? Who is in the house?
Nai.
Angole. Angole.
Nai, what's wrong with you? I hate you calling Angole Choma.
I'm dying.
Nai, what's wrong with you? Nai, what of your wife and your son?
They abandoned me here.
Nai, okay. Nai, don't worry. Let me rush and go and inform Choma.
Please do. Please.
I'm coming right away.
Thank you, please.
Choma! Choma!
father is very sick. It looks very serious. Come, I beg. Very serious.
Let's go.
Come.
Just close it, let's go.
Very serious.
Papa.
Let's take him to the hospital. Wait.
Go on, get Keke.
No, leave Keke. Hapu Keke. Help me. Put him on my back. Lift him.
Hey, are you sure you can carry Papa?
Lift him.
Hey, whoa.
Come. Open the gate. Hurry up. Come open the gate.
Malicha, please, I'm begging you, eh? Papa is dying, he's dying.
I don't have money. I don't have money to give anybody.
I thought you are his favorite. You should be handling his medical bills now. Yeah? Do you need to be going from one place to the other looking for money as if you gave anybody money to keep for you?
Mama, I don't have money. Then
go to your husband.
My husband don't have money too, eh? The only money he have is 200,000 naira, which the doctor said is not enough to commence treatment of Papa.
Did I not want you not to marry that wretch? You insisted. You refused to listen to me. Yeah? Hey, your father concurred. You even went ahead to say that money is not everything.
Money is not everything.
You see now, money
is not everything.
Money is trying to become
something. Mama, you see your thing is not good. Oh, Papa, you see your husband, no.
The man I disowned, I dismarried long time ago. I get that thing, yo.
Oh, Malicha, Papa is still your father. Even you, Obiora, you are there eating meat.
See.
Which one is Odera?
Try it again. Oh, have you forgotten? Have you? Papa was never in support of my marriage. And this one concord.
Best of the friend.
Eh? Now you came to me, my friend. Go and carry across. Carry across, my friend.
Thank you. I told you. Mama warned you about getting married to her, but you wouldn't listen. Eh? What Mama cannot do, does it exist? No! It doesn't exist, but instead of you to listen, you say no. You went ahead and get married to that Voka. That was right.
Voka.
Somebody that is home and abroad. You just 200,000 naira.
That is if the money will still be up to 200. By the time the bank takes their charges.
Okay.
And the electronics money.
Okay,
you see that the money is up to 100 and something thousand.
Madam, leave my house before I send the palace guy to send you
please.
out. I said leave.
I'm begging you.
Mama, please.
No. Yes, even you.
Which one is giving me? This guy tell you.
I'm sorry. Please, no, Marisa, please. Mama, it's not good.
I gave you meat, it's not good.
Everything is not good.
Let me rest, it's not good.
Money is still not good on her.
Look at the question.
Hey, Mary, please, you need to do something. Papa is dying. Hey, that's so bad. Papa is really dying. Hey, what do you want me to do? Because right now I don't even have any money on me. No, now, Ebere, Papa is also your father now. I know Papa is my father. You also know Papa is my best friend. I love Papa so much. But I don't have money. Do you want me to steal? Choma, do you want me to steal from my husband so that he will chase me out of this house? Ebere, it's just 2 million naira. It's just 2 million naira, which I know that if you talk to your husband, he will give you. Just 2. You are calling 2 million naira just 2. Do I blame you? Just 2 million naira. As if you and your miserable husband can afford 1,000 naira. Please, Ebere, you can call me names for all I care. But do not call my husband's names in front of me again. Do not do it. I won't take it from you.
Really? Choma?
Wait. I should leave.
Choma, I don't want to shout. Don't push me to release the dogs on you. Just get out.
Ebere, I mean I should leave your house.
Oh, this girl. Get out.
Don't push me.
Get out!
I will go. No problem. I'm sorry I even came to bother you.
Okay, now, so you go. Get out! Look at this silly girl. You came to my house to advise me or what? Or to teach me manners? Wretched thing. Like husband, like wife. Poor things. Look at them, poor masses. Alright, nonsense. Just 2 million naira.
Hey, Mama of the year.
You are lucky you did not give her that thing. If you had given it to her, you would have had serious problem with me.
Am I mad?
Really lucky.
Mama, I am not stupid. You instructed me not to give her the money, so I obeyed you. Will I disrespect my mother?
Very good.
Mama Poala. Mama! Odogu wanyi. Nuku wanyi. Yodogu.
Pounds and dollars.
Hey!
What Mama cannot do does not exist. Oh.
Hey, but Mama. Hey. What if Papa dies in the process?
No, your father will not die. He will not die. But even if he dies, he won't be the first person to die. Moreover, if your father has lived long enough now, he should just rest. That's why he's not understanding anything about enjoyment anymore.
So you are saying we should allow him to die in poverty?
I did not say that.
People only cake at them. That is why I'm going everywhere enjoying Mommy of the year. I am Kakumike.
You know?
So let's enjoy life.
You know we are going back to the palace. Something is missing on this table.
Mama, let me get you some things. I'm coming.
Bring bushmeat. Sister, Mbada. Mbada. Mama, you are going to the palace.
Let us finish. Let us finish from here first.
Enjoyment.
I can't believe this. How could my sisters, how could they refuse to help our own father? I don't get this.
It's okay, Chi.
No, it's not. It's not okay. How could my sisters refuse to help their own father? And my mom is firmly against them helping him. I swear to God, if anything should happen to our father, I will never forgive any of them. I will not.
Nothing will happen to Papa, okay? If it means for me to borrow money around, I will do it, or take a loan from the bank.
Taking a loan from the bank requires a collateral. It requires a collateral that equals the amount. And me and you, we are very sure we don't have such value to replace it with.
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know. Because if anything should happen, I will not forgive. I will not forgive them. killed him. Yes, and I hope that you're happy now. Leave me alone. These wicked people I call a family couldn't help our father when he was alive. Now he's dead, you all are here shedding crocodile tears. My God in heaven will judge all of you.
Amen. Amen. God will judge all of you too. That did not allow Papa to enjoy the fruit of his labor.
I wonder.
The king sent me to come and sympathize with this family. We are so sorry.
Which king? Yeah? Which king? A king that doesn't have the decency to come here himself. What? Such a mistake, don't you dare!
Don't you dare in your miserable life call my husband names again. Are you mad? Don't you ever! Mama, can you imagine? What is wrong with you?
Leave this riffraff alone. Sit down. We are here for a reason and not for her.
My husband, oh. Hey!
Oh.
That my in-law, the prince, that my husband was a good man.
Oh! Oh, death! Oh! I told my husband to buy a car for Papa. We were planning to buy a car for Papa before he died. You know about it.
Such a fat lie! All of you! You're a bunch of liars! I came to you, Ebere. I came to you too. You couldn't help Papa. I hear you are telling lies.
We had plans.
Which plans? Plans that you couldn't carry out until he died. Tell me the kind of plans you had for Papa. Mama, even you. I'm such disappointed. I'm so disappointed in you.
Mama, I am being very patient with this girl. I will slap her.
It's not that I want Papa to rest in peace. It's not that I want Papa to rest in peace. You would have joined him to rest.
I will slap
you would have joined him to rest.
No, it has not come to that. Let us
My husband was a peaceful man. Let's have
Yes, Papa is my best friend. Yes, let me mourn him in peace. Let me mourn my father in peace. A great man.
Everybody, man, no.
Nne, indeed, Anguleka has a hand in her husband's death. Mukulu.
You are absolutely right. Her wicked behavior towards him contributed to his death. How can a mother align with their daughters to stand against their late father simply because he did not support their marriage?
That woman is obsessed with wealth, to the extent she does not think of any other thing without it. She's a mother, but she has totally failed motherhood. She also turned her back against Chioma, who married the man she loves, not the man that suits her interest. Imagine that.
I also heard she's no longer living in her house, but in her richest in-laws' house. Shortly from palace to city to stay with them. She only came back during her husband's burial.
The one that baffles me the most is the only son of Umpulanye Jisogwa. The only son who's supposed to call the family, the household, to order. But he is busy following the mother from pillar to post, like an old handbag.
That a slave doesn't count as a son.
Oh,
I'd rather be childless than have such as a son. Hey, Mazude is dead.
Oh,
may his soul rest in peace.
Amen. Amen. Nembiko Kode. I'll see you later.
Okay,
Take care of your family.
What? What is going on here?
Damn. I don't like this. So why didn't you knock? Huh? Why didn't you knock?
I don't get. You're asking me questions?
My own room? My own matrimonial room? I came in here and met you with a woman, my own maiden, on our matrimonial bed. And you're asking me questions?
Woman, you should learn how to respect my privacy.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Eh?
Yes, I ask you again. You say I am your wife. In fact, not just your wife, but the queen of this land. I deserve some respect from you.
Shut your dirty mouth. How dare you raise your dirty mouth on me? Never in your miserable life will you open and even shout at me. What nonsense.
You slapped me.
Lie there.
Goodness. God.
What nonsense. Don't. I need fresh ones.
Geneka, what is it?
Nothing.
Nothing, and you are yet behaving like a witch.
Look, why can't you just leave me alone and mind your business? Ha!
Imagine who I will help. See you.
Mama. Yeah, Manager. How are you? What is wrong? Why are you crying?
Mama is my husband.
What did he do?
He slapped me. He beat me up because I caught him sleeping with my maiden.
Omalicha. You are wrong. How can you confront him just because you saw him sleeping with your headmaid? That is wrong now.
Mama, what are you even saying?
What do you want me to say? You are wrong. You have to apologize to him because he's the head of the family. He has the entire right to do whatever he likes. He can marry as many wives as he likes, as long as he provides for you. So, you are wrong. This is how marriage should be.
What are you saying, Mama? How can you say this to me? I'm telling you that the prince beat me up. He slapped me, he disrespected me. And you're here supporting him?
Oh, Malaysia, your husband is a good man. A man that promised to send your only brother and your mother abroad. That man cannot do anything wrong in my eyes. So you better go and apologize to him. Tell him you are sorry.
We're talking about my well-being here. We're talking about my well-being, and all you care about is your benefits.
Amanisha, are you listening to me? Go back to that man and apologize. Kneel down, Sebulani. Tell him you are sorry. Apologize to him. What are you talking? Before I come there, you have done it too. Respect your husband. As long as pounds and dollars now put a name here.
Wale. Which one? This one or this one? Okay, oh yeah, off the car.
I mean, wow.
Okay. Confirm. Okay, this your tire, eh? This your tire, don't the old though. In fact, you don't need change, oh. But no wahala, sha. No one, I go help you take the other ones. I go check off.
Unzube.
Hey! Jono! See my guy, yeah! Check! Jonoski! Jono! Wait, Jono.
What did they do for you now? I came into Nigeria 3 days ago. I lost my dad. I came for the burial ceremony.
Hey, wait. So your proxy don't buy like this?
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, yeah. My sincere condolences, eh?
No problem. So this is where you work?
And my place with this, so.
Unzube!
My guy, make I run a sharp for you now.
Oh, yeah, now. Before then, please give me your number. Call you when I'm less busy, okay?
Matter no number.
No, you can't have somebody like me and be working here.
Oh, my God. Confirm. Now my number is that.
Okay.
If you want the second one, sir, I go give you.
Please drop it for me. I will call you when I'm less busy. Definitely tomorrow.
You don't get wahala, my brother. Make I start my...
Unzube.
My guy. Jonoski.
Unzube.
Yeah. Just say...
You take it easy, eh?
Just say I get fuel for this job, so...
Elchin. Oh, hey, man. I didn't die this month.
Hey.
Inkem?
Yes.
You're welcome.
Sure. Thank you.
How was work today?
Work was okay. Oh. And I had too many customers. I'm so happy.
Wow, that's a good news.
Yes. Jim?
Yeah?
Guess what?
What is it?
My primary school friend, John, came to my shop today to repair his tires.
Hey.
Yes, at first we did not recognize each other. But then we now... it was so good.
Wow, that's nice. What happened?
Yes. He came into Nigeria for his father's burial.
Oh, my condolences. That's a very sad story.
Yes, so that's the life we are living in now. Nobody will live forever.
Chai.
Did you cook anything?
Yes, I know you must be very hungry. Let me drop this and go and get your food ready.
Oh, no, don't worry. Let me freshen up first.
Alright,
yes.
Do that. Before you come out, your food will be ready.
Okay.
Alright, to be said.
I hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
You're looking beautiful.
As always. Thank you.
Okay, let me freshen up.
Alright.
Wow.
The only Igwe with a swag. But the one okay. Okola Kalesia. Oh God, my king. Hey! Nah. Igwe came with swag.
And what are you doing here? You are supposed to be in your husband's house, mourning your late husband.
That is true, my dear man. My late husband is already dead. Yes. To let the dead mourn the dead.
Old woman, get up from that place. Go back to your husband's house and mourn him. shut your dirty mouth? Hey, old woman, get your ass off from that chair and get out of my palace. Or do you want me to call dogs on you?
Take it easy now. Calm down. I think you woke up from the left.
And it's like the dogs are not good enough for you. I'm going to release the lions on you. Even tiger.
Hey, no, you want to tiger?
What? Shoot! Hey, will you bring back my meat? Do you know how much I bought that? You see what? You see what?
Sorry.
What? Is man? Get the fuck out of my palace. Hey, go and collect your bag.
Mama.
Go and collect your bag. Get out, Walla, man. Why? What's this? What's she doing here?
This is not nice.
See, today will be the first and last I will see all these old fools around this palace. Do you hear me?
My mother.
Yeah, I know who's your mother. What's my mother?
This is not nice.
Maybe at all of them. And you gave her my talking. We don't eat this in the States, man.
We don't eat it, but we have it in the kitchen.
Why did you serve me the talking? And you're giving it to your mother?
We don't eat it in the States.
No, yeah, that's why I need to eat it here. Shut up, shut the food. Shut up. Even Jesse eat this.
Jesse, this is talking.
No, Bobby. Where is she? Nice talking, man.
Na which kind king be this yo? Obodo anyị nọkwa na nsogbu maka igwe nịga. Igwe anyị bụ Kaimana. Jee igwe ka ọ bụ gịnị ka ihe emezi nụnụ maka igwe nịga. Na which kind king be this yo? Our kingdom is in trouble. Maka igwe nịga. This one na igwe Tupac yo. Jee igwe ka another say Abubazi Sagi. Jee maka igwe nịga. Ewewewewo obodo na-agbayata yata. Igwe anyị nọdịkwa egwu igwe anyị bụ nịga. Iyelele ife na-eme no. Ọ bụ gịnị ka ihe eme? Egwu dị n'obodo anyị o. Na which kind king be this yo? Igwe ka obodo anyị nọkwa na nsogbu maka igwe.
Hello? It's not my fault now. I've been trying my best to. I have dabbled into different kind of hustle. But in the end, nothing to show for it. Eh? But this came out each. I don't know. I understand now, but what do you have me do? Because right now, I'm even feeling like the universe is against me. Anything I put my hand into doesn't go well. Eh? And I have a woman, a very kind woman. Yes, I feel like I am not doing enough for her, and that is the truth. Eh? I just wish things can turn around so that I will do what I have to do as a man. I don't want to lose her. Jakpa. Yes, now I will come with my woman. We will leave this country. What am I doing here? Eh? No. There is no way I will leave my wife in this country. Not to talk of that her family, that everybody there, they are all against her. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to be saying all this. But see, I can't go anywhere without my wife. What do you want me to answer you now? I can't go without my wife. That's all I have to say.
Which kind king be this yo? trouble. This one I went to back here.
Thank you so much. So, where do you want me to meet you now? This is a good news, oh. Where do you want me to meet you? Okay, I'm coming there right away. Is there anything you want me to come with? I should come first. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Chuku goziegi. I'm coming there right Ozubo. I don't have transport in my pocket, but I will use leg. You will see me there right now. Thank you. God bless you. Hey.
Nkem.
You're welcome. Hey, I have good news for you.
Wow.
I have good news for you.
I can't wait. Tell me, what's this good news all about?
My darling, God has finally remembered us. In fact, our suffering has come to an end.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen. Tell me, what's this good news all about?
I'm still in shock myself. My love, God has finally done it.
Amen.
It's not everything we talk outside. Let's go inside.
Because
Let me give you. Exactly.
Outside.
Waste time. You need to hear this gist.
Our kingdom is in trouble. This one I went to back here.
First, I demand an answer. Where are you always going? And what kind of work do you do? I demand to know where you're always running off to. And what kind of job do you even do?
Ogenekwa, why are you blocking my way? Are you now a police officer?
I am not joking. I demand an answer. What do you do? Who are you? If you don't tell me, you have to kill me before you leave here.
That's where you get it wrong. I have sense. That is how I made money. If you want to die, it's a very simple something. You just go to your house. As you're going, you branch to a chemist shop and you go tapia. You just drink it, lie down, and die. I cannot be held responsible for your death. Odera possible.
I am highly disappointed in you. I regret ever marrying you. There's nothing, absolutely nothing to enjoy about this marriage. I can't be your wife and be single at the same time. It's not making sense at all.
It doesn't make sense too. You know what? Just go inside there, pack your bag and go back to your parents' house. Let me give you a very special information that you don't even know. There are 1,000,001 girls lined up there waiting for Festus to be single. And they will come in and enjoy. Onye jigo ke ewu na eso.
You are a very wicked man. Festus, kill me. Kill me!
I am a wicked man with money, I agree. Leave my clothes.
I will not do that. Festus, I will not.
Seeing you cry like this.
So you were here and watched him beat me. He couldn't even come to my rescue. You couldn't even stop him.
I don't understand what you're saying. Do you ever expect me to bite the finger that feeds me? No, it's not done. Moreover, you were just running your mouth. How could you ever talk to your husband like this? And I expect him not to lay his hand on you. Or do you want him to replace you with millions of girls out there like he said?
Is that all you have to say?
Sister, what else do you have me say? I don't want to go back to the village. you better manage this, your husband. Manage him. Manage whatever he does to you. I cannot go back to the village, and Mama cannot even stand you going back to the house.
What if he had killed me?
He will never kill you. Small beatings don't kill somebody. He just give you small bruises. You'll be fine.
I'm so free. This is not marriage.
It's okay. Stop crying. But I'm just saying this because you know who Mama is. What Mama cannot do does not exist. And if you mistakenly ruin this thing, Mama will not forgive you. And I will not forgive you too. Yeah, so I die here.
Odogunwoke. Festus Woke. When you come face to face with Festus, pounds and dollars was wrong. Nekuya, ekucha me the dollar tabago. Wahala. Odogu. Hey, dimba.
Odogu, Biko, please, there is something I really want to beg you. It's about my sister. I want to apologize on her behalf. You know my sister can have this sharp mouth sometimes. And I know that if you mind that her sharp mouth, you will use it and kill her. Please, forgive her. If you want, I can still call my mother and explain this thing to her. Because what my mother cannot do does not exist. Yes. My mother will change it for her and she will change. It's okay, boy.
Obiora, you know as a lawyer, I hate disrespect.
Yes.
And your sister is starting to get on my nerves. And I see you in Goliensi.
Mbano. I didn't mean me. Forgive her. For my own sake. Please. Missy, I understand the kind of love you have for my sister. You love her very much and you have shown her to my own face. I've seen it. I bear witness of your love for her. But please, if you don't forgive her, you a Buddhist girl, you will kill her.
Obiora, I like that as a young man, Uchegede. And in a Punyalum, for that fact, I've forgiven her.
Odogu. Face to face with Festus, dollars and pounds will show.
Obiora, you have come face to face with Festus.
Bam.
So you're going to Man,
Odogu can for the viewer. I really want to know what you do. Actually, getting me fan hello. Pull me through. Come fan hello. Let me make these pounds and dollars too. You know I don't like poverty. I don't want to end up like my sister suitors.
Obiora, I like you. You are a very sharp nigger. And I also noticed the fact that you are very ambitious. But you can do my kind of business.
Sorry, when I'm saying but why would you think I cannot do it? There is no business I cannot handle. Be it human trafficking, gun trafficking, or selling of human parts. I'm in. Don't look down on me. I have mine. So you have to put me through now. Let me show you what I'm capable of doing. You understand? Please. I know what I'm doing and I know what I'm capable of doing. Asha. What do you want to do for you? If you talk a mellow later. If you talk a mellow, when you check them.
I love it. Oh, yeah. Damn. I love it. Whoa. Damn. Yeah. Damn it. Damn it. Woo. Yeah. Igwe. Yeah.
Which kind can be this year? Oh, why? Obodo anyị nọkwa na nsogbu. Maka igwe nịga. Igwe anyị bụ Gaimana. Chee igwe ka anyị. Ọ bụ gịnị ka anyị emezi nụnụ? Maka igwe nịga. Now which kind can be this year? Oh, why? Igwe ka anyị. Our kingdom is in trouble. Maka igwe nịga. This one na igwe to back here. Take back another say I put that say sagi. Take back nigga. Which kind can be this year? Oh, why? Obodo anyị nọkwa na nsogbu. Maka igwe nịga. Igwe anyị bụ Gaimana. Chee igwe ka anyị. Ọ bụ gịnị ka anyị emezi nụnụ? Maka igwe nịga. Now which kind can be this year? Oh, why? Igwe ka anyị. Our kingdom is in trouble. Maka igwe nịga. This one na igwe to back.
Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. I'm here. And I'm there. Yeah. Come on. Oh. My stuff. Hey. Gas. Where's my stuff? This is my stuff. Hey. Where's my stuff? Go and find my stuff! My stuff! Where are they? Look! Hey! My stuff! Uncle! Hey! Look for my stuff anyway! Go! My stuff! Wait! Come here! Wait! My stuff! Wait, let me go and take it. Help! Where's my stuff? Look at my stuff! Look for it! Hey! Look! God damn it! What is this doing here?
I don't know, my king.
Whoa! What is this doing here?
My king, I don't know, sir.
My queen. Why are you following me? Why are you following me? Why are you following me? Eh?
What is the meaning of this? So you do drugs. Wait. Were you the one that kept this in the West bin?
I threw it away.
You threw what away?
No longer use it. It's not for you. It's not supposed to be for you. You keep it. It's not good for you.
Are you
crazy? Don't take this.
Are you crazy? You don't touch my stuff! Don't touch my stuff! Don't touch my stuff! I told you that before! Don't touch my stuff! What's this? What's this? Well, I don't give a fuck about if you're dead or something. Get out! Come and take this bitch out of my room! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Now which kind king be this? Oh, why? Over there, you know, one night so
Take it easy now. What is the meaning of all this? What happened? What is it now?
The prince instructor will return her back to you. The marriage is dissolved.
How can he just dissolve the marriage because of one small issue? One misunderstanding cannot destroy one marriage now.
I think we have delivered his message. The king's man will come for her better price.
Wait a minute. The prince cannot... Tell me this is not true. What did you do? I know he didn't offend you. My in-law is a very good man. You know how much you struggle to get to this point. You can't just destroy the marriage like that now.
Who is that?
That's your mother, king.
Where are you?
My king, swagalicious king, Ezimo king, the one and only king, the reigning king, that has swag, Dimpa. I salute you, because there is no king like you. You are the best. I have heard what happened. It was not your fault. Even if it's your fault, you're still right. My daughter is responsible for everything. I'm sorry, please forgive her. But please, I beg you, don't dissolve this marriage because of this. I have cautioned her. Because
what is this? Well, why can't I just have peace here? Come on. Come on.
Please, Biko.
God! God! I want you to flog this old miserable woman severally! In fact, you know what?
My in-law.
I think I have to do that myself!
My in-law.
Just hold her.
Hold her for me!
Hold her down! Go down! Go down there!
Biko.
Where's this? Where's
this?
Where's this?
Where's this?
Where's this? Where's this? Where's this? Where's this? Where's this? Hold
killed me. I can't get my body together again. Oh. Please, Swanga Pigs, please has killed me. Oh. I want to get a turn here, me. Oh. Hey. What have I done to you? Hey, I'm going to get a piece of the oh, you will never back. Hey! I can't even break it.
Here we are. Please, sit. You must be tired.
Yes, I am.
You're welcome to our new home.
Thank you, baby. God, how is this even possible?
That shouldn't be a question because with God, all things are possible. And I also want to say a very big thank you for believing in me, all the prayers and all that. Just like you used to say, that prayer is the key. And here we are.
This is beautiful. Everything is happening so fast. Just like a dream.
I know how you feel. And you have every right to be emotional. Because when God decides to bless a man, nothing can stop it.
Yes. I love them. Looks beautiful.
Nice to hear that you like what you're saying.
Yes, I do. I just wish Papa was alive to see this thing.
Hey, it's okay. Same here. I wish Papa was alive as well. But I know wherever Papa is, he is proud of us, his children. Okay? It's okay. It's alright. I love you.
I love you too.
Madam, after the series of investigation, we found out that you are not involved in any of the crime committed by your husband. Meanwhile, your husband and your brother has been gunned down by the police force. Aside that, we found out that your husband is the leader of the kidnapping squad. His properties and his wealth, which are acquired by the illegal means, has been seized by the government. So I require you to vacate these premises as soon as possible.
And also, their corpse remain the properties of the government, and no one can lay claims to it. You have 24 hours to vacate these premises. The police are outside waiting. Let's go.
What did you just say?
Festus cannot be dead.
Hey! 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 Ewujimo! Ha! Okuku amasa no bensi o. Efu enu mo. Okwanya njafuza nanari mo. Hey! Timo! Go. Hey! Ewujimo! Hey! Anya kanga kola gugu mama. Anya kanga.
It is well. All will be well. And by the time we bounce back, you see this woman, she will get it hot from us. I don't blame her. It's not her fault.
You don't want to greet me again or what?
You don't have sense. What is good about you that we should greet? No single sense is inside which like you. You.
Chinekeme. Has it come to that? Is that the way you and your sister now address me?
How? How did you want us to address? Useless woman. How do you now want us now to talk to you? If not that you, our mother, you see that your 2 left legs, you will never walk with it. Just the way I am here on this wheelchair, I cannot walk. When I look at you, I feel I should just strangle you to death. And you will die.
Let me tell you, I will never forgive you. My sister and I will never forgive you. If not for your greed and selfishness. Look at what you've landed us into. Because of your love for money, you don't even care about anybody.
What did I do to you? You are the cause of your own predicament now. Can you hear me? Amanisha, as for you, if you had tamed your mouth and your behavior, you will still be living with the prince in his house now. But you will not rest. If you're going to solve you. As for you, were you not the one that brought an armed robber, human parts dealer, kidnapper, you brought the person as a suitor? Did I say yes?
Me! Mama, I promise you that you will not go scot-free. You see this condition you put my sister and I, you will regret it for the rest of your life.
Your own is even different. Why are you blaming me? Are you not the one that brought Onyoshi? Armed robber, kidnapper,
Mama,
human parts seller.
Were you not the one receiving dollars?
Did he tell me where he's making dollars from?
Why didn't you ask where he was making dollars?
Why should I ask him?
Did I bring sellers when they let rubber slippers? Why did you reject him?
Wait.
Good afternoon.
Nabiko, I'm just coming from my in-laws' house. But everywhere is just locked.
Which of your in-laws?
The best in-law I have now, Nzubechu. He's my... In fact, I'm so proud of him. He has made me proud. He's the only one that is reasonable now. I heard he's now very rich.
So you're asking about him because he's now rich now, right?
No, now. You know, I'm missing my daughter. I want to see my daughter.
Well, Nzube has relocated to the city with his wife. They no longer live in the village.
Hey! No wonder. I knew it. Hey. So, I know that my son-in-law will make it. So he's not very rich.
Yes, he's rich. To the glory of God, he's rich.
Thank God. I have always known it. That boy, yeah, it was on his face. Can you please kindly give me the address? I want to go and see them.
You know, it's actually funny this is coming from someone like you. The same people you despise and erase from your life.
What do you mean by that? But he's still my in-law now. Did he not eventually marry my daughter?
Mama, I will not give you the address. I will not give it to you. If it's that address, I will not give you.
If somebody treats your mother like that, you'll be happy. Yeah? If somebody is looking for your address now and you deny your mother your address, will you be happy? Kindly give me the address and let me go and say, and I want to make peace with them now. So you want me to just die without making peace with my daughter? Eh?
Okay. It's fine. I'll give it to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's go now, so I can go.
I have to. When I'll come back to your house.
Let's go back to your house and collect it because you may forget. And to find you will be difficult for me, Biko.
Okay, it's fine.
There is this man of God that is in our village.
As you can see, I'm leaving for the city to stay with my lovely, wonderful daughter, Chioma. and her wonderful husband, Nzubechukwu. Chioma, ebe chimdere mama, and Nzubechukwu, etu Chineke si zubere me. I had always known that that girl will make me proud, and she has proved it. So, as you can see, I am well prepared. Don't look for me in the very near future, because I'm going to stay long there. Since both of you are planning how to kill me, you said you are going to kill me and maim me so that I will not be able to walk again. And you said you are going to kill me. And I want to thank God that He gave me somebody like Chioma. No wonder you are going to Chioma, my own God. If you get you can stay and mourn your lives. Let me at least close the door for you.
Baby, what kind of a mother is this?
The mother that you want to kill. Namaste.
What kind of mother is this? She also wants to go and lose so much life. Huh?
So after this woman has ruined our lives, she has abandoned us.
My God did not allow Chioma to accept her in her house. She will destroy Chioma's family. That's what she's good at.
Hi!
Chicken, you're so happy. Thank God for your life.
What are you doing here? Huh?
I came to spend time with you.
Spend time with who?
You now.
Me? God forbid.
Why now? See, Chioma, I know that I have made you so angry. Baby, go. But I have just realized that I made a lot of mistakes. I have found out that you are the best among others. Just forgive me. Oh, you know, go.
I should forgive you.
Forgive me. Eh?
I should forgive you. Over my dead body. You are not even welcome to this house. Talk more of forgiving you.
I'm your mother. I'm your mother.
Which mother? My mother. You ceased to be my mother the very moment you allowed my father to die.
Are you even sure I had money that time? Because we were just managing, gallivanting.
When you were grooving, you didn't know.
I didn't want him to die now.
You didn't want him to die, but you made my sisters not to help him. I will only forgive you the very day you will bring my father back to life. Until that day, you cease to be my mother. You're not even worthy to be called a mother.
See, you are very heavy. I will stay with you here and help you so that...
You will stay with who?
To make things easy for you.
This woman. I would rather employ a mad person than have you around me.
Don't talk like that.
Who even gave you the address to this place? How did you find here?
Can you give me? Can I see your
husband? I don't even want my husband to come here and meet you because you will not like the outcome. You will not at all. Mama, Binite, Ona.
Where do you want me to go this night?
In Ajum. I am not the only child you have. I believe my sisters are there. So go back to them.
No, it's your
turn. Mama.
It's your turn for me to come and stay with you.
Mama, I said leave my house. Do you want me to call Dada for you? Dada! Dada!
Madam!
You don't want to go, Abi. Come and take this woman out of this place.
Call your husband.
What do you want?
Are you still asking me? Bundle her out of this place. What are you now, yo? I need one head. So, which one of you will provide his head? You or you? Who?
Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me now? I am not ready to die this time. So let anybody that need head can go and look for head, not my own head. It's not going anywhere.
I said I need one head.
Nze, you are the mouthpiece of this community. Offer your head so that you can save others.
Look at this useless palace guy. Are you useless palace? Can't you offer your life? Are you your head? Are you useful? You are not useful. My head is not going anywhere, idiot.
I said I need one.
Take his head, Your Highness. Take his head.
How do you want it? Oh, you're running, man. You're running for me. You're running for me, man. I'm a gotcha. And what about you?
What about
Your head?
my head?
Yes. Okay. I see. I need some hair. And every one of you disappeared. Okay!
Hey, honey. Come sit. Sit down. Easy.
How was your night?
It was okay, and yours?
It was fine. Hey, baby, I forgot to tell you something last night.
And what could that be?
Do you know that Mama had the guts to come here last night?
Wait. Mama came here last night?
She came home.
So where is she?
I sent her back home.
Wait. You sent your mom out of this house in the middle of the night?
Yes, I did.
Where did she spend the night? And come to think of it, how did she manage to get our house address?
I don't know. Maybe your friend Chooks did.
Bam. I strictly warned Chooks never to give anybody our address.
Hey, God, baby. You're talking like you don't know that woman called my mother. You don't know my mother. I know that woman very well. She's a manipulator. If there is any other word that is better than manipulate, that's what I would have used. My mother would do anything just to have her way. I'm very sure she manipulated her way around Chooks and got the address from him. Who knows?
Well, don't conclude yet. I'll find out about that, okay?
If you say so, no problem.
Meanwhile, I hope you are enjoying our new home.
Oh yes, I am. You know what? Let me go and make you something to eat before you go to work.
It's okay.
All right?
It's all right.
All right, I'm coming.
I hope you can.
I can.
Okay.
Not a problem.
Easy, okay? If you need help, let me know.
No problem.
Mama.
Doctor. Is there hope of his recovering soon?
It is a gradual process, so we have to be patient.
So, is there nothing we can do to speed his recovery?
No, he has to go through diverse processes. But getting him a therapist will help him
You know his system has adapted into drugs intake, and now that he's no longer taking them, it has really affected his immune.
You know, doctor, this whole thing started when his ex-wife threw away all the drugs.
Then she has his interest at heart. Disposing them was the best thing to do.
But is there nothing we can do to hasten his recovery?
Yeah, he can be flown abroad if necessary.
I got put at that side. The same abroad he just came back from that turned him to this way. And we can't afford to send him back to that abroad again. I think the therapist you said would be the best option. We have to be with him here and watch him get better.
Head.
Your Highness.
Head.
Your Highness.
Head.
She liking money scatter. She dey chase some bomber to bomber. She's looking for a wealthy man to marry off her daughters. Yeah. If you don't get the money, nothing for you. Make you hide your face now. Yeah. I'm a liquor. She too like money. Oh. She too like money scatter. She know they use the money player. She too like money scatter. Daughters are not for promises. Yeah, pretend look quick. Cash money, brother, it's quick. The woman too like money. She too like money scatter. $1,000 can't. She too like money scatter. If you want marry my daughter, yeah, pretend look quick. $1,000, say brother, it's quick.
What is your name?
My name is
Chetachi.
Amamuche. I know you don't have an iota of shame, but please do not take it on my back.
Maxwell belongs to no one. We are all playing our games individually.
Obim!
That's Dara.
Yes, I know. So what?
You don't care if she sees you.
I and Maxwell are into each other, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Into each other? How? Keep quiet now. What do you mean by that? That's not what she meant to. She meant something else.
Maxwell, you are sleeping with her! How dare you!
Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
Go, then make love to me, okay?
Make love to you?
Make love to me. I want to be the mother of your children.
Ha!
I want you to get me pregnant so that you prove to Cheta and Amuche that they stand no chance of having you. Odera and Cheta, from now henceforth, I want you both to suffer a disgusting, intense body odor.
You smell like a decomposed dead body.
This can't be your menstrual smell. Mama, I am not on my period. There had to be a better explanation to this.
Why are you smelling like this?
I don't know what is happening. That is why I came to see you, so you can help me.
Well, I don't have a solution to body odor.
What are we going to do to Maswe and what is turning our girls into? We have to teach Maswe the lessons.
Haven't you caused more harm than good? I put it to you that you're the cause of all this. She said, it wasn't intentional, I swear. I was trying to stop her from touching Maxwell and then she refused. I mistakenly took pistol and I hit her on the head. Oh my God! This is blood! What did I do, Cheta?
Both of them don't deserve to live. Their sins are beyond just banishment. They should be stoned to death. Turn them to death!
She's looking for a wealthy man to marry off her daughters. Yeah. If you don't get the money, nothing for you. Make you hide your face now. Yeah. I'm a liquor, she too like money. Oh. She too like money scatter. She know they use the money. player. She too like money, scatters are not for poor masses, yeah.